In this video, we're going to have a look at a video from my PL-400 Microsoft Power Platform Developer course. Hello, I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. Now, one of the requirements within Extend the Platform Create a Plugin is perform operations on data by using the Organization Service API. Well, the IOrganizationService, which is the interface, has 8 methods: execute, create, retrieve multiple, update, delete, associate, and disassociate. In previous videos to this course, we would have had an introduction to the Organization Service API and had a look at create, together with create request and create response. In this video, we're going to extend the plugin by looking at update and delete. I hope you enjoy it. In this video, we'll be looking at how we can update and delete rows. So what I'm going to do is use this row that we have just created, and we have got the GUID, the account ID, and I'm going to be using that. So what I'm going to say is I have an existing row, and it is in the account copy table, and the specific row is the GUID. So it is the account ID, and you can see the computer has looked through all of the various variables that I've got and thought, well, it could well be this one. So I'm going to click tab twice to accept what it says. So that's the existing account copy row. I need a new one, an updated one. And so this is going to be just a new entity, just like I was creating a new row up here. It's exactly the same. So how do we tie these two together? Well, we tie them together using the ID. So I say that the new account row, the updated account row copy, the ID is the same as the existing one. So that means that when I use my update command, it's going to say, it's exactly this one that we're referring to here. So now I've got all of this, I can now say that, okay, I'm going to change the fax number from 7654321 to 7654322. So we've created a row with this fax number, and we're now updating the same row. Yes, I agree it would be a lot easier to do it here, but sometimes you don't have that option. Sometimes you have created a row much earlier and now you need to update it for some reason. So now I need to update it, and that is service.update, and you can see in brackets we have the row which we have previously tied in to an existing row. So all of this hinges on the fact that we have got this account ID, this GUID, from the response that we have got previously. So let's build this. So again, just go through these steps very quickly, and then we're going to create a new record and see what the fax number of the account copy is going to be. So here I'm in my account model driven app, click new, click my account 9, save it, refresh what's in the account copy, and you'll see that we have my account 9 in brackets copy, and then the new fax number of 7654322. Now, having done all of this, I'm now going to delete this item or the new row that comes in, and that is very simple to do. All I need to do is say service.delete, and then in brackets I need the logical name of the table and I need the row. So exactly what I've got here when we were looking at the existing row. Right, so having done that, I'm now going to rebuild and redeploy my plugin. And the reason why I'm showing you this is just to show how quickly you can do it, and you might be following along. So let's create a new record. So this is going to be my account 10. Save that. Go back into account copy and refresh. And you'll see that my account 10 copy, which you'd expect to have been there, has now been deleted. So in this video, we've had a look at how to use service.delete, which I will just comment out so that that row doesn't get deleted in future, and service.update. With service.update, you take the GUID, you create a new row or record and have the same ID, and then you can create any of the changes that you might want to do. You'll notice that I haven't copied across the name. There was no need to. There was no change with the name. So it's only the fields that you wish to change. Now, you might be going, okay, that's all very well if you've got the GUID, but how do you use the GUID? And if I just press the open brackets, you'll see that this new entity is overloaded. And by that, I mean there is more than one definition. You can see there is 5. So this definition that I'm using is for a GUID as a second parameter. But what if you don't have that? Well, you can use other things such as a key attribute collection. And we'll be looking how to do that while looking at the retrieve method in the next video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This particular video, the update and delete, is one of over 100 videos in my PL-400 course, which looks at the developer requirements in the PL-400 exam. It builds on the knowledge that you will have gained by studying for the PL-100 and PL-200 exams. And if you need some help with that, then I have courses on those as well. If you're interested in my course, then there is a link to this course in the description to this video. If you like this video, then please click like. Then why not subscribe and click that bell? That way you'll be notified of any new videos. I'm Philip Burton of IDoData.com. Thank you very much for watching and keep learning.